Boom, viewers, subscribers. Back again with these quick updates because trust. If it's not foreign from King Mix Up, it's not credible. And one thing we can say about Popcaan is he's definitely showing growth. Just the other day he united with Beenie Man to put their difference aside for the good of dancehall reggae music. And now he's doing the same with Mavado. We know that him and Mavado hasn't been seen eye to eye since quite some time now, but at one time we did see them collaborating with one another. You feel what I'm saying? So today or earlier today, Popcaan took to his Instagram story to send his condolence to Mavado, but before he did that, he had some other wishes for some other artists. So let's see. Cause Popcaan, they close with his mother, but he said big of Ritatil, I think his name is. The Babylon boy, them all them with knockers the other day, And just like Lada, I think him take a guilty plea because him get catch with that knockers. And Tamale get catch with that knockers. But he had this to say to Mavado. At Mavado, gotta keep your meds firm up. Same way, singer. Keep fighting the fight. Condolence to you and your family. Tough times for everybody. Stay up unruly. Wish bad on no one. And that's good to see. You know what I mean? Big up yourself, Popcaan, for that one. But him couldn't big up all of these artists and not bless up the world boss. And he says, go and hold them, my daddy. Life are the greatest thing. Freedom Street, we are free. People putting out a comment section what you think of all what Popcaan has to say and how his actions is speaking louder than his words, you know what I mean? Yeah, let's proceed. Yes, Blak Ryno, albino rhino, white rhino is back at it again, and he's dissing women who has false hair because nobody seems to be accepting him bleaching his skin, trying to revive his musical career. So let's take a listen.
Stop bleach. Bleaching look disgusting. You disrespect the black race. Alright, me here now. What me just want to know, when you know wear the false ear, the false nails, the false eyebrow, the false lashes, when you pay the money for put on the false booty, when the man pay the money for go no, put on the false booty, the false breast, everything fake for enhance to no beauty. Or enhance whatever you want enhance. You know burn it out and say it not natural. Some of the man, when you lay down side down the woman in the fake ear, them natural ear well cream out, fake nails, fake everything. Somehow no go put in fake ear myself to cover the ball patching on the head, put on fake beard, somehow no support, somehow no females, and somehow no man who no have same-sex friend, like who no have female friend with sex female. Like come I could get frank now, like someone know when we categorize all of them, what the difference with all of that?
He also said no one is perfect, so don't talk about one issue when there is many done by same people who crucify people. Okay, whatever, Blak Ryno people. Listen to this and tell me, say, if I'm not in I am feelings about the bleaching them do.
Hey, I come back for the world where them have extra. But up the place already. Now I'm going to extra action. I come for give them a min no come for lecture. And every gal as them smooth, them love my texture. Them demonstrate potential. But my pedestal, as me done fuck. As she cut my call the next girl. See me change my color like me a run a rental. That drive me enemy them mad in the mental. Me used to semi focus. Now I fix my lens. My goals are first in my vision. Now I see the bends. Yeah, my character them say make me not efficient. So I go recreate my character's magnificence. My hard work, yeah, my diligence. Who no one see it, my credit, but it eminent. Say my stability and legacy and my defense. And no fabricate this thing on here with incidents. I not have to tell them immerse, cause them see the fence. I not have to tell them all a cheer, because them see the bench. I not have to tell them about my life, cause them not see the trench. I still explain myself, and I not see the sense. Go tell the universe, Ryno is the quasar. Cause the energy my flow possess, it create be a star. Now artists busting on my style, it make them elevate far. I not put them on practice, I put them on the
To me, Ryno's a good artist and him never have to bleach, Him bleaching for do a single or whatever new image is just showing that he's on his last straw in his career, and the only way is to go after this is the body wash way, People putting in the comment section what you think. Now, the part of the video y'all been waiting for, people. It is alleged that Carlene, and we're talking about dancehall queen Carlene, gave Beenie Man a jacket. Yes, I'm not gonna tell you no lies. I was given this story like a month or so ago, but yeah, you know how the thing set run. Yeah, I'd be getting caught up with a lot of mix up, and every time I was messaging the youth, he was taking days to answer because he was working. But he was like, "King, this is the biggest story of dancehall. Carlene give Beanie Man jacket," and I can't remember the DMs too tough, but I'm pretty sure people from Southside can put in the comment section and confirm that Beanie Man's daughter with Carlene, I think her name is Crystal, is the Don Pitney. You see what I'm saying? There's a lot of people in the community that can confirm from Southside that has seen Carlene bring the baby to the Don numerous of times. I don't know if the Don dead or somebody. I think somebody died. You know what I mean? Like I said, the story was kind of confusing, but I was on my Instagram live today and somebody brought it up again, and this is why we're doing the story. So people, putting out a comment section, do you think Beenie Man's daughter with Carlene is his? Like I said, this is just how the thing goes in the entertainment world. We seen what Flex and Foota Hype is going through. Flex thought his child was his for all of these years, only to find out that his best friend was sleeping with his baby mother, and he ended up minding his best friend kid for all of these years. So I think when that story broke out, I think that's when I got the DMs with the thing. So I mean, I don't know. I don't know what the Don looks like to say if the Don looks like Beenie Man's daughter with Crystal per se, but maybe Una can put in the comment section again. If Una from the south side, I don't know how the story goes. You see what I'm saying? Beenie Man and Carlene hasn't really been good parents. Not to the child, but to their one another. Carlene's a Beenie Man is a deadbeat father. If it wasn't for her friends and family, she don't know how she would have, made it through this. And all of these things is documented out there already, people. Do you think that Beenie Man say, you know what, I don't mind for me pitney, but it seems me claim it and name it, might as well just, play the part till she grow up big and all of these things. But people, I'm just giving these updates. Don't forget to like, comment, share, hit the notification bell because I run you so you get the latest in the dancehall news, music, curfews, and gossips. Bless.